Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today I wanted to do a quick review of the Dukwin watch roll. This is going to be the watch roll model with 3 slots, so you can fit up to 3 watches inside. You can get the one with only 1 slot in case you have a 1 watch collection, the one with 2, and this is going to be the model with 3. You have various colors, green, brown. I really like this blue, so it is a very nice and high quality watch roll. This is going to be vegan, so friendly vegan leather, and I would say that it is very hard to tell that the quality is very nice to the feeling. The stitching is very premium, and also here the sides are very soft. Here inside I have my 3 Casio watches, so the Casio Edifice, the Casio Royale, and then I have the Duro. And as you can see, this is going to look very nice. Now I'm going to pull them out, and you have a few features as well right here. Also, the interior is going to be very nice, very smooth, very high quality, so I really like this. And here we have the 3 watches. Now, they suggest that you can fit watch dials to up to 50 millimeters, and then also when it comes to the wrist size, you should go above 17 centimeters or 6.7 inches. But my watches, so these stainless steel models, are fitted to my wrist, which is 6.5 inches, and as you can see, they fit perfectly. So I would definitely recommend this one for let's say wrists that have 6.5 inches and above. When it comes to leather straps, rubber straps, resin straps, you are going to be able to fit those very nicely. Now, something really cool is that you can actually take these apart, and you can remove them and take the one that you want to wear. And something really cool is that you can only take, let's say, 1 watch, then you can take 2 watches, or as you can see, they're going to fit very nicely with each other. And then something really cool that they have is going to be this extra piece inside where we have a hidden jewelry capsule or compartment. And here you can, let's say, here you can put an extra leather strap, here you can put some jewelry, and this can actually be removed without removing the watches. So this is going to be a really nice and cool feature about this particular watch roll. So guys, if you're looking for, let's say, something very premium but for an affordable price, I would definitely recommend to go and check out all of their watch rolls. This 3-slot model is, in my opinion, the best choice if you have, let's say, more than 1 watch. And I would definitely go and grab one of these on Amazon, choose the right color for you, and I guarantee you are going to like it, guys.